Hi everybody, this will be a quick video on how to create a subcode in MaxQDA. So you all know that you had these pre-populated codes for the focus groups, and those will be the same for the interviews. But we noted that you guys wanted to get a little bit more specific with your codes, and we would like to as well. So we'll show you how to do that. So what you're going to do is you are going to find a code. So I'll pull out one right here. It says, unfortunately, the students at our school don't typically have a lot of stamina on writing. So that's clearly a challenge when integrating writing, but it's more of a student challenge. And there are going to be many other unique challenges. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hover over the challenges when integrating writing category, and I'm going to click this green plus button. That'll pop up a code, and you're going to type in whatever you'd like to make this subcode. So I'm going to call it student challenges. Okay. And then I'm going to just drag and drop my highlighted writing right into there. Now, you might have many different student challenges, or you may never see this subcode again, and you'll just have one code in there, and that's totally fine. So I'll do one more. We noted that with our limited time, having only a semester class, we typically don't focus on it, and it is writing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hover over challenges. I know that that's a challenge to integrating writing, but the challenge is time. And so what I'm going to categorize that as resource challenges. Okay, because I'm going to assume that there are other resources that will be challenging as well, or will pose challenges. So I'll create resource challenges as a subcode, and then drag and drop this into there. Now you might have totally different resources in there, or they might all be related to that time. So you're just going to drag and drop all those codes into that subcode, and they'll populate right here. Now you can add memos still, that's totally fine. You can also double up on codes like you learned in the last training. But I just want to make sure you knew how to subcode.